एहसान है रमजान पाकिस्तान।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this daily program in which we will be looking at the beauty, the virtues, the excellence and the benefits of the month of Ramadan, the fasting, and what impact fasting has on our lives, on our well-being, on our happiness and on our health. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, according to Abu Huraira, that my ummah has been blessed with 5 special favors in the month of Ramadan. First one he said is the bad smell that comes from the mouth of the fasting person is dearer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than the best musk, than the best perfume. He then said that the angels pray for the fasting person, and then he said the paradise is prepared for them, the mischievous devils are chained, and the fasting people are forgiven. So here, we have the 5 special benefits for those who fast during this month. And each one of them is really extraordinary. And it just shows you that this is no ordinary kind of worship. And this is why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Hadith Qudsi says that the deeds of the son of Adam are blessed 1 to 700 times. So when we do any good deed, Allah multiplies it 10 times, 20 times, 50 times, up to 700 times, depending on the sincerity, the khulus, the purity of our niyyah and intentions. However, with regards to the fast, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that fasting is exclusively for me. My servant has given up his desires, he has given up his hunger, his thirst, he has given up his most beloved things, things that he yearns for, and therefore the reward is not going to be 700 times, but it is ujzabe. Ujzabe means that I become the reward for it. Subhanallah. That is really interesting, because what that means is, you become so close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah will bless you with not 700 times now, not with thousands of rewards and merits, but He will bless you with His own divine presence. And so, and of course, that is what spirituality is all about, the proximity, the nearness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So inshallah al-Aziz, during the month of Ramadan, as we fast throughout the day, and during the night, we involve ourselves in Taraweeh, we worship, we devote our time listening to the melodious and beautiful recitations of our imams and qurra in our masajid, or those of us who organize Taraweeh at home with a Hufaz as well. Those are amazing devotions we engage in. And another devotion I'm sure all of us will be really busy with during the month of Ramadan is, of course, is charity, giving, showing our generosity and helping those who are less privileged. So inshallah al-Aziz will continue with this theme of the blessings of Ramadan, the benefits of this great worship as we proceed. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you with this great month's richness and its merits. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
रमजान पाकिस्तान अल्लाह का एहसान है रमजान पाकिस्तान।